When you want a flourless, chocolatey cookie in a flash, you want these peanut butter Rocky Road cookies. Chewy, chocolatey, and marshmallowy with a crunch from the almonds taste sinfully delicious. They're quick and easy, which means you'll get your hands on them sooner than later. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Crinkle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. For returning subscribers, welcome back. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You'll need marshmallow cream, dark chocolate dream peanut butter, an egg, almonds, and chocolate chips, which aren't pictured here. Measure out your half cup of almonds and give them a good rough chop into smaller pieces. In a large bowl, add your cup of chocolate peanut butter and the egg. Stir together until well combined. Add the half cup of bittersweet or dark chocolate chips and your chopped almonds. Give them a stir until incorporated. Now we add the 1 cup of marshmallow fluff. You want to make sure that you fold this in rather than stir it so that the streaks of marshmallow are still visible. Use a cookie scoop and space them about 2 inches apart so they have room to spread. Bake in the oven for 12 to 13 minutes and allow to set up on the cookie sheet for 5 minutes. Peanut butter Rocky Road cookies may not be the prettiest cookie you've ever seen, but definitely one of the tastiest. Melty chocolate chips and dollops of marshmallow give a dreamy texture to this chocolatey delight. It's just 16 minutes from bowl to your face. Don't mind if I do. For the full printable recipe, head on over to mrscrinkleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.